I know you guys have all been wondering how to enter into the 2K competition to come and watch me tattoo and ask all the questions that you like. I've been in your words. So guys, how is the 2K competition going to work? Well guys, all you need to be doing is be a sub to the channel, head over to Instagram, drop us a follow, and then come back to this video and drop a comment. The comment that you need to drop is just 2K subs. Anyone that enters 2K subs into the comment box on this video is automatically entered. However guys, the winner will be picked at random and the winner will be vetted to make sure they are a sub to the channel and that they have followed the Instagram. Also guys, I have now set up a Patreon account. There is 3 tiers on there guys. 1 is just to support the channel. 2 is just to get all your questions and answers answered. And tier 3 is a little bit more of a personal one-on-one account with me via Zoom calls, via questions. You also get a dedicated private community on there also. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please hit that Patreon link in the description. So guys, I know that's a lot of information, but I'd just like to tell you one more thing that I've got coming in the works. I am now going to start offering one-on-one personal seminars for you guys. Kind of like the 2K competition, you will come, you will watch me tattoo, you will ask your questions. However, I will also go through the entire process of what I'm doing and explain why I'm doing it. So if that is something that you're interested in guys, you can go to this email right here, drop us an email, let me know you're interested. I will get back to you with all the relevant details. But guys, that is all for today. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget also to check out my tattoo tips playlist. There is a full array on there. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification also to get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Adios.